And today we are cooking, and guess what we are cooking? We're just cooking these, they're called spams. We're just going to fry them. I think, yeah, we're just going to fry them. Hi guys, it's Nimora once again with a very interesting video, another cooking with Nemo. Today we are going to cook dinner, and this the food I'm going to cook for you, it's a recipe that most Filipino knows and most Filipino love to eat. So what I'm going to cook, I have spams. Yeah, spams. I think it's made of chopped pork and ham. So it's a mixture of is a mixture of chopped pork and ham. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry this. Yes, I'm going to fry this. I have my pan, and also I'm going to fry this. Then I'm also going to cook rice. I'm going to show you how we cook our rice, because we cook it, yeah, how we boil our rice using rice cooker. Okay, so stay tuned and welcome to Nemo's Cooking. Okay, yeah, these days I'll be cooking for you Filipino foods. So if you are Filipino out there, like the video, subscribe, and comment down below if you cook like this, or if you cook such foods, because something like this, it's something different in our country. As in, I saw this one first here, so, and I'm not advertising it. It's not like I'm advertising it, but I'm just showing you what we are cooking. So I think first I'm gonna cook rice, as in I'm going to prepare rice. Yeah, I'm going to prepare the rice. Rice is down here. The rice is down here, so I'm going to prepare the rice. Okay. So I've put around 3 cups of rice. 3 cups of rice. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash it here. Don't mind our kitchen. Our kitchen is full, like, it's very small, and we have a lot of things, so don't mind. So I'm going to wash it thoroughly, and don't look at my mama douche. So after washing, I have to wipe the water. I think this could have been another video, but it's okay. Let me just mix them, so that next time we have something else. So then I come and put water. 1, 2, 2. 2, 3. Yeah, so I've put around 4 cups. Yeah, I think 4 cups, so that it will be. So I come and put it here. This is our rice cooker. You cover it, you put this one down, then you switch on. When it's here, it's saying it's supposed to be red. This one is supposed to be red. Okay, so we are going to leave it there. It's gonna be cooking by itself. Then we come back to our spams. So spams. This one always give me problems. So I will open like that. Then let me wash my hands so that you won't start saying I didn't wash my hands. Let me wash my hands. Don't mind our kitchen. Our kitchen is very small. It's small. Ni ndogo, like ni ndogo na tuko na vitu mob. So don't mind everything. So this is the spam. This is how we always do it. This is how we do it. This is how you open it. You have to squeeze it so that it will come out. Otherwise, I don't know how you'll be able to remove it. Yes, you see? Yeah. Then cutting, we don't use the knife. You can use the knife if you want, but we have this one for easy cutting. Yes, like that. To make it smaller, you have to do it twice, but now the second time you have to be very careful. Yeah, so you have to squeeze it. Hopefully hope I've not cut it the wrong way. Yeah, so now it's sliced and it's time to cook. It's time to cook it. Time to cook. Let me bring it. Yeah, let me bring it near. So this one, I'm going to use this oil. It's non-sticky spray. But in most cases, we don't use oil when cooking the spams because they are already oily. But because when I cook with this pan, it's always sticky. So now we cook. We're going to put the rest. Let me show you. You see the way we have cut it? Yes, that's how you cut it. You see? To be into small portions. So you just pick. Come here, you pick. Some of them didn't go in, but it's okay. Kuje uziweke hapa, you cook them slowly, okay? Slowly, no rushing. No rush at all. And remember, our rice is cooking there, so it's like our dinner, our quick dinner, especially for the kids. This one I'm cooking for the kids. So I'm scratching myself. I think I'm going to get money. As you know, it's almost end month. It's end month, by the way, so money, pesa kwa wingi zinakuja. That's why I think I'm feeling itchy. It's starting to prepare me to, you know. So this one is something that it won't even take 30 minutes. It's quick, and the children always love it. It's very nice with this one is always salty. It's always salty, a bit salty. So when you mix it with boiled rice, it's very nice. It's very good combination. So I don't know if we have it in Kenya, but if we don't have it, it's okay. At least there are so many other foods you can cook like this. Yeah, but here in Doha we have them. So guys, you're still cooking. Just look, that's how it's supposed to be. Golden brown. Is it golden brown? That's how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I've taken some minutes, like around, yes, it has taken like around 20 minutes, and I'm done. Yes, this is how it looks like. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So this is our final look of our spams. They are so yummy. So, and also on the other side, our rice is finished. You see? Yeah, when it's here, it's finished. Yeah, now it's time. Let's see. You see, it's already done. Yeah, so it's time to serve for the kids. Guys, it's time to serve. There's someone who was laughing at me. Akwapi Alex. Alex was laughing at me because of using the scissors. So this is how I do it. I cut. I cut into small pieces so that the kid will eat. Oh my God. Yes, then I put some rice. Yes, that's food for one, baby. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and yeah, please, and always, so that you'll be always be notified when I upload new video. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and please always put the notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video. Okay, so welcome to Nemo's Cooking. Hope you're loving it. Yes, it's also something new. I don't like cooking, and I don't like involving my channel in cooking, but you know, we have to do everything. Okay, so bye bye for today. Bless you.